We're in Powick, just outside Worcester, building 50 affordable homes for Contruction. Currently we're using the Zaxis-6 mini excavator for internal and external shallow drainage, stoning up around the properties and just general small trench work. The machine's ideal for what we're doing at the moment on a housing estate. It's very versatile, very powerful for a small machine, and you can get into places that you can't with a 13-tonner. We've got 2 Hitachis already. It only seemed right to buy the 55. The 55 is a powerful little machine. It's ideal for what we use, and Hitachi is a brand we've stuck by because it performs well.